Forrest Gump, directed by Robert Zemeckis and released in 1994, is more than just a movie. It is a cultural phenomenon that encapsulates several decades of American history through the eyes of a uniquely innocent protagonist. The film, based on Winston Groom's 1986 novel, stars Tom Hanks in the titular role and follows Forrest Gump, a man of limited intellect but boundless heart, as he unwittingly influences some of the most significant events of the 20th century. This essay explores the central themes of destiny and innocence, the character development of Forrest and Jenny, and the film's profound impact on popular culture. Forrest Gump tells the remarkable story of a man with a unique disability who, despite numerous challenges, leads an extraordinary life. Gump, characterized by his intellectual disability and physical limitations, which set him apart in a world that often misunderstands and underestimates him. Moreover, we will explore how Forrest's disability shaped his life and experiences, emphasizing the themes of resilience, acceptance, and the inherent value of seeing the world through a different lens. In the film, Forrest's intellectual disability is a defining aspect of his character. With an IQ of 75, he faces prejudice and low expectations from those around him. However, it is this very innocence and straightforward approach to life that allow Forrest to navigate the complexities of the world in a unique way. His disability, often viewed as a limitation, becomes a source of strength, leading him to achieve feats that others deems impossible. Forrest's physical disability, highlighted by his need for leg braces as a child, adds another layer to his character. The braces symbolizes the constraints imposed on him by society in his own body. Yet, in one of the film's most iconic scenes, Forrest breaks free from these braces, literally and metaphorically overcoming the barriers that have held him back. This moment is not just a physical triumph, but a powerful metaphor for overcoming obstacles through determination and willpower. Forrest's journey is marked by his encounters with various individuals who both challenge and support him. His relationship with his mother, Mrs. Gump, played by Sally Field, is particularly poignant. She instills in him the belief that he is no different from anyone else, a message that empowers Forrest to pursue his dreams fearlessly. His mother's unwavering support highlights the importance of acceptance and love in nurturing the potential within every individual, regardless of their abilities. Themes of destiny and innocence. At its core, Forrest Gump is a story about destiny and inherent innocence of its protagonist. Forrest's life is a series of extraordinary events, from teaching Elvis Presley how to dance to inadvertently uncovering the Watergate scandal. This incident underscores the theme of destiny. Forrest is a passive participant in the history, seemingly guided by an unseen hand. His famous line, "Life is a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get," encapsulates the randomness and unpredictability of life, suggesting that destiny is beyond our control. Forrest's innocence is pivotal to the narrative. His straightforward and honest view of the world contrasts sharply with the complex and often morally ambiguous situation he encounters. This innocence allows him to approach life without cynicism or fear, leading to a remarkable achievements. Forrest's pure-hearted nature not only endears him to the audience but also highlights the goodness that can exist in the tumultuous world. The development of Forrest Gump and Jenny Curran's characters serves as a central pillar of the film. Forrest's character remains relatively consistent throughout the movie. His simplicity and unwavering moral compass are constants in a rapidly changing world. However, it is precisely this constancy that allows him to navigate life's challenges with ease and grace. Forrest's character is a testament to the idea that success is not always about intelligence or cunning, but about heart, perseverance, and kindness. In contrast, Jenny's character undergoes significant changes. Jenny represents the turbulent and rebellious spirit of the times, engaging in countercultural activities and struggling with personal demons. Her journey is marked by a search for freedom and meaning, often leading her down self-destructive paths. Jenny's tumultuous life stands in stark contrast to Forrest's stable and unassuming existence, highlighting different responses to the same historical backdrop. Forrest Gump has left an indelible mark on popular culture. Its iconic quotes such as "Run, Forrest, run!" and "Stupidest as stupidest" have entered the cultural lexicon. The film's soundtrack, featuring timeless hits from the 1950s to 1960s, evokes a nostalgia and complements the storytelling. Additionally, the visual effects used to insert Forrest into historical footage were groundbreaking at the time and have since influenced how filmmakers approach historical fiction. The film's portrayal of historical events, while sometimes simplistic, offers a unique lens through which to view American history. Forrest's interactions with historical figures and participation in pivotal moments serve as a reminder of the everyday individual's potential to impact history, even in this narrative choice underscores the interconnectedness of personal and national histories. Overall, Forrest Gump is a masterful blend of storytelling, character development, and historical commentary. Its themes of destiny and innocence resonate deeply, offering a poignant reflection on the unpredictability of life and enduring power of kindness. The contrasting journeys of Forrest and Jenny provides a rich exploration of human experience. While the film's cultural impact continues to be felt decades after its release, Forrest Gump remains a beloved cinematic classic, reminding us that, much like a box of chocolate, life is full of surprises. And it is our approach to these surprises that defines our journey. The movie presents a nuanced portrayal of disability, showcasing how Forrest's intellectual and physical challenges shape his unique perspective on life. His story is a testament to the power of resilience and the importance of acceptance, demonstrating that what society often perceives as a disability can, in fact, be a profound source of strength and inspiration. Through Forrest's journey, the film invites viewers to reconsider their perceptions of disability and to recognize the value of every individual's unique contribution to the world.